and by 9 a.m., they're already fucked. Hey, it's Ryan from the Carb Situation. Remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a trainer, I'm just a human guinea pig who likes to read a lot and willing to experiment. If you go on the journey with me, maybe you'll learn what I learned. Oh yeah, and I curse a lot. Let's do this. So the next strategy I want to talk about for maintaining willpower and motivation is play offense, not defense. You see, your willpower is like a tank, and it fills up every morning while you sleep. And when you wake up, every decision that you make throughout the day drains that willpower. And sometime during the day, it's going to be depleted. Now, some people have lots of willpower and they can go all day and still have willpower left. Some people have very little willpower and by 9 a.m., they're already fucked. Now, willpower is like a muscle. And every time you exercise some kind of willpower, you build more willpower in every area of your life. So since we know that we have a limited amount of willpower, well, we want to use that willpower wisely. We don't want to find ourselves hungry at 8 p.m. with no willpower left in the tank, because you know what's going to happen. You're going to head over to McDonald's and eat a Big Mac or do whatever the hell it is that your thing is. So we want to use our willpower wisely early in the day to make smart offensive decisions. We don't want to play defense with our willpower. We don't want to wait until the donuts are in front of us to try to exercise willpower. Instead, don't go where the donuts are. That's playing offense. If you know that one of your weak spots is lunchtime at work, that's when I go and have an unhealthy meal, then make sure you pack a lunch. That's playing offense, not waiting until lunchtime with nothing to eat and going, boy, I hope I can resist the pizza at the cafeteria. That's playing defense. We don't want to do that. Another good example is what is in your cupboards, what is in your kitchen, in your refrigerator. Whatever that is, if it's junk, get it the fuck out of there. That's playing offense. Get the junk out of your house so that you don't have to open the freezer and look at the ice cream and hope you still have enough willpower in the tank to resist that ice cream. That would be playing defense. Just don't have the damn ice cream. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Play offense with your willpower. Plan ahead. Do smart things and make wise decisions while you have the willpower so that later it's automatic and you don't have to worry about it. If you've packed your lunch and it's a healthy lunch, then when it comes to noon at work and you have no more willpower because jackasses have depleted it all morning long, well, you don't have to go into the cafeteria and eat the pizza. You already have a lunch. That was smart. You made it before you went to work, and that's playing offense, not defense. So if you have any questions or comments, please give them to me below. Check the link below and you can fill out my survey that will take you maximum of 30 seconds to let me know how I can help you better with the carb situation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Make sure and check out my website for all kinds of free, easy resources to help you on your journey. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.